PocketChem HemoG, a quick and easy hemoglobin measuring device. Ideal for doctors' clinics, hospitals and medical camps, PocketChem HemoG measures patient's hemoglobin level with 7 microliter blood sample in just 5 seconds. PocketChem HemoG box contains the PocketChem HemoG meter, pouch, jet strip, 7 microliter mini pipette, lancets, lancing device, 2 1.5 volts AAA alkaline batteries and user manual. Strips box contains 50 test strips with 52 pipette tips and calibration chip. PocketChem HemoG comes with features that make measuring hemoglobin accurate and convenient. PocketChem HemoG is a compact handheld device for checking hemoglobin and hematocrit instantly. Just 7 microliter blood is required for the test, whether venous or whole blood. Special micropipette ensures right volume of blood collection. An easy 4-step process with result in just 5 seconds. The test results are calibrated to cell counter. Here's how to use PocketChem HemoG. Before using the instrument for the first time, prepare the following things. Insert the battery, switching on the machine using upper power button. Press the side button to set date, time and beeper. Calibrate the device. Insert the code chip given in test strip bottle. Before inserting code chip in the meter, ensure that its number is the same as the code number written on the test strip bottle. Open the lid of the lancing device by turning it counterclockwise. Insert the lancet into its holder fully and push hard. Then, twist it to remove the lancet's protective cover. Turn the lid of the lancing device clockwise to close it. Now, set the sampling depth by turning the dial to one of the 5 different settings as per the skin thickness. Insert the strip to switch on the device. Wash your hands well with soap and warm water and dry them completely. When fingers are warm, it's easier to get a blood sample. To load the lancing device, pull back the end and position it at the tip of your fingers and then press the button. When using the mini pipette 7 microliter provided with the kit to draw blood sample, first insert the pipette tip into the pipette tightly. Push down the top button to the first stage for collecting blood sample from the finger. Then, slowly and carefully release the top button of the pipette to draw the blood into the tip. Place the pipette on the test strip and push down the top button completely to release the blood onto the strip. At the countdown of 5 seconds, the device will display the hemoglobin and HCT result. Dispose of the lancet in a safe manner to reduce the risk of infection to others. Eject the strip and discard safely. The device automatically shuts off. ARKRAY PocketChem HemoG.